Rehan from Arabian Tent Restaurant in on DLF Road, Gachibowli. I'll be taking you through some of our very popular dishes from Saudi Arabia, or Arabian dishes that we call them. Mandi, Kabsa and Ruz Bukhari, with different variety of meat that we serve. So now we will be showing you our very popular lamb mandi. This is our lamb mandi. We make this in a very authentic way. We have to cook this in the lamb soup. So we extract the soup of the lamb and then we prepare the rice in that soup. This is the most authentic way of preparing mandi, and the best way to have mandi is with the lamb. So now we'll be showing you our charcoal kabsa. We call that faham. In Arabic we call that faham. And again, kabsa is another dish from the Arabian side of the world, and we prepare it in a different way from mandi. We use some tomatoes in it, whereas in mandi we don't. So that brings more of what you call tomato flavors to the dish. And we prefer to have it with chicken more oftenly, charcoal chicken or grilled chicken. So that's our kabsa. So, and the last, I would say the most important dish for us is the Ruz Bukhari. We have introduced this Ruz Bukhari in Hyderabad for the first time. I would like to tell you about the Ruz Bukhari, that this is one of the most staple foods from Saudi Arabia, called Ruz Bukhari, meaning the rice of the Bukharis. So Afghanistan, from people from Afghanistan or Afghanis who migrated to Saudi Arabia so many years back, they brought this rice, a dish in Saudi Arabia, which became so popular and so commonly, used there. They just love this food. Earlier, we could not have this in Hyderabad because 95% of the rice grain gets exported to Gulf from India, and that's why this rice grain is not very commonly available in the market. But we were, I would say, fortunate enough to source the rice grain to make this special dish called Ruz Bukhari, which is made of golden basmati rice, and that is well preferred with grilled chicken. The authentic grilled chicken we make is with the Arabian spices, and that is how it is served. That's the Ruz Bukhari.
My name is Ramazan Mushtaq. I am from Afghanistan. I am a student in Hyderabad Central University. And we are coming here because of the good food which they have, and especially the food which is available in Arabian countries and also in Persian countries. And also it says there is not that much spicy, so that's why we like this taste of this food, and we usually come here.
We have opened up Arabian Tent Restaurant in Gachibowli on DLF Road, and since we are in the IT sector or IT zone, we have specialized our menu in a way, we have customized our menu in a way that it suits everyone's pocket, and they don't have the burden of eating something they don't want to share. So our menu is basically designed in a way that we can order one person's mandi rice, and you can order 4 persons mandi rice. And then when you order 4 persons mandi rice, you can order lamb to it. You can basically add charcoal chicken to it. You can add grilled chicken to it. So you can customize your own platter, and you can basically eat what you feel like eating, not having to share something like a lamb mandi with your friend where you're not in the mood of having lamb tonight. So that's how we have customized. So in our menu, you will see that the pricings are basically split for rice and for the meat portions that you want to have according to your appetite and according to your desire of meat that you wish to have tonight. and that's how our menu is designed.